In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix iPad not pairing with Bluetooth devices. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, Bluetooth pairing issues are often caused by profile corruption or interference. So if your iPad isn't seeing or connecting to your device, you can usually fix it very quickly. What we want to do is go over to our settings application. Then once we're here, go over to Bluetooth. If it's enabled, go ahead and disable it for a second and then re-enable it. Once it's re-enabled, go to your device. If it's still not connecting, press the three little dots on whatever device you're showing. Then at the bottom, you're going to see forget this device. So forget it entirely, then go back. Then you should see your device in other devices. And if you don't, it needs to go into pairing mode. So depending on what you're using, there's going to be a different way to get into pairing mode, but search up for whatever device you're using. And then once it's there, go ahead and click on it on other devices. And if it's still not connecting, then what we want to go ahead and do is go over to general, then scroll down, and towards the bottom, you're going to see transfer or reset iPad. Then go to reset and then reset your network settings, and that's going to definitely help. And then your Bluetooth should be working after that. Now, the final thing I'd recommend doing is go over to general, then going over to software update, and see if your iPad needs an update, because it could just be a minor bug fix. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also, be sure to check out all the other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something you didn't know about yet.